129 species in genus Lotus. The lotus, a symbol of resilience and beauty. As for Vu, I've always been fascinated by the lotus plant. It's a symbol of resilience, beauty, and purity in many cultures, and for good reason. This aquatic plant emerges from murky waters to bloom pristine and untouched, a metaphor for the human spirit's ability to rise above challenges. But the lotus is more than just a pretty face. It's a genus of flowering plants with a rich history and diverse uses. Let's dive deeper into the world of the lotus, exploring its different species and unique characteristics. A closer look at the lotus genus. The lotus belongs to the Nelumbo genus, which is part of the Nelumbonaceae family. While often confused with water lilies, the lotus is distinct with its unique seed pods and the way its leaves and flowers rise above the water's surface. There are 129 species of lotus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The lotus in different cultures. The lotus holds deep symbolic meaning in various cultures, particularly in Asia. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the lotus represents purity, enlightenment, and rebirth. It's often associated with deities like Lakshmi and Buddha. In ancient Egypt, the lotus symbolized the sun and creation. It was associated with the god Nefertum and used in funerary rituals. In China, the lotus is a symbol of purity, harmony, and summer. It's often depicted in art and literature. The many uses of the lotus. Beyond its symbolic significance, the lotus has practical uses as well. Food. Almost all parts of the lotus plant are edible. The seeds can be eaten raw, roasted, or ground into flour. The rhizomes, underground stems, are also consumed as a vegetable. Medicine. The lotus has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's believed to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Ornamentation. The lotus is a popular ornamental plant, grown in ponds and water gardens for its beautiful flowers and unique foliage. The lotus effect, a marvel of nature. One of the most fascinating aspects of the lotus is its self-cleaning ability, known as the lotus effect. The leaves of the lotus plant are covered in microscopic bumps that repel water and dirt. This allows the leaves to remain clean and dry even when submerged in muddy water. Scientists have studied this phenomenon to develop water-repellent materials inspired by the lotus leaf. Conservation efforts. While the lotus is not currently endangered, habitat loss and pollution threaten some populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this iconic plant and ensure its survival for future generations. Conclusion. The lotus is a remarkable plant that has captured the human imagination for centuries. Its beauty, resilience, and diverse uses make it a true marvel of nature. As we continue to learn more about this fascinating plant, we can appreciate its significance not just as a symbol, but also as a valuable resource and a source of inspiration.